Carom seeds have a distinct flavor and taste which makes them very unique in cooking. Home remedy for indigestion, bloating and gas. Heat water in a pot. Add carom seeds. Once the water starts bubbling, cover the pot with a lid and let the concoction boil on a low flame for 10 minutes. Strain and drink the water after meals if you feel uneasy. Note that carom water is potent and should be consumed in moderation, not regularly. They also have a few health benefits associated with them. Carom seeds are anti-inflammatory and they are known to relieve inflammatory conditions such as arthritis and joint pains. Their digestive properties work on indigestion, bloating and gas. Carom seeds have antibacterial and antifungal properties which take care of oral health. They are known to provide relief in respiratory issues like coughs, cold and congestion. Carom seeds regulate blood pressure levels. They also boost metabolism, resulting in weight loss. Store the carom seeds in an airtight container in a dark, cool place for a longer freshness and shelf life.